Hi, Sultan.
Hello, how are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm also good.
Nice to
Alhamdulillah.
see you. How was your weekend?
It was good.
What did you do?
What did I do? Same things, cooking, watching movies, studying, learning language. That's all.
Good. That sounds fun.
What about your weekend?
Nothing. I didn't do anything. I went outside. We don't have quarantine anymore. So the coffee
Okay.
shops are like all open. So I went to have a coffee for the first time in 3 months. So that was good, but nothing special.
Okay, tell me, do you have rooster in your home?
My neighbor. My neighbor has a rooster and a cow and a chicken and the
Cow?
entire yeah, seriously, and the cow at night makes some interesting sound. I don't know what she's doing. One day I'm gonna make a video for you.
Even I had a rooster when I was in Pakistan, and
Hmm.
it was so smart. It
Hmm.
was fluffy, white in color. Even he had hair in his legs.
Huh. So nice.
So he was very cute. And he used to do the same thing. He kept
Mhm.
crowing the whole day.
I thought they only do it before Fajr because they see the angels, but I feel like this guy, he's bored. He does it
It
all
means
day.
the angels are always there.
Oh, I like to think so too. See? What angels? All the devils are here. I okay.